Audio Jungle.
Okay, so you've had a little bit of time, right, as you're on this journey, and you are getting close. Everything's kind of built in there. You've got floors in, things are framed, drywall is in. You're feeling pretty good. What are you kind of learning at this point? Like, what's going on? What are you working on?
Yeah, sure. I appreciate it. We're working on a lot of different things all in parallel. That's a pretty common theme. A lot of community involvement. I've been making some posts. Your post with the podcast has generated traffic within the community. We're looking for relationships. AT&T reached out. A community action house in the community reached out. We're partnering with them. Doubletree from Hilton has reached out. We're looking for different relationships to serve the community and provide something that doesn't exist. And there's a lot of excitement in the community. So getting individuals that want to work at the laundromat is very easy. People are very excited, motivated, interviewing individuals, creating hiring methods, creating manuals, operating manuals, steps to do within the laundromat, payroll, establishing all the things for the employees to start day one. Clothing, branding, we have shirts. We have logos. We have a branding expert that's a friend. So you think about all the advertising that's going on, all of it's free, which we're very grateful for. People are advertising our business inside of theirs. So we have branding to go co-branding, co-marketing campaigns. The branding expert that we've hired is developing all of that, and we're putting our logo in a lot of different places.
So I know you got picked up in the local paper there. Can you just talk about like how that even happened? And like you get the call and they're like, "Hey, we want to talk to you about your laundromat." Like, how does that actually show up?
Sure, great. Thanks for asking. It's a great story. I had made a post in our local Holland, Michigan Facebook group, and I said, basically, we're doing Operation Laundry. Would very much be interested in your feedback of what your experience has been with the laundromats in the community, good, bad, or indifferent. I thought maybe I'd get 2 likes in a post. And it went pretty viral, I think, for a laundromat. We're over 200 or 300 likes, over 200 comments, and they're genuine feedback. I answered every question, every comment, engaged with the community. People had great recommendations. From that, our local Holland Sentinel newspaper reached out, the business editor, and said, "Hey, we'd love to do a profile and learn about your story." And I was grateful for the opportunity, and they interviewed me over a couple phone calls. They couldn't meet in person because of logistics. And so we put the article out, they actually put me on the front page of the newspaper. Got a lot of press for that. A lot of people have reached out. There's some local TV news now that has reached out based on that. They're going to do day one openings, and they're going to do live interactions on day one, as well as in-studio hosting for a small business. So that's really blowing up, all from Facebook. And I learned that from another CLA member. I give credit where credit is due. I talked to him out of Arizona, another veteran from the Army, and I'm from the Air Force. He said, "Hey, check out your Facebook pages, get in your local Facebook pages." So I did that. And from everything from that, just so blessed that it cascaded where other individuals wanted to get involved and wanted to help out. And we also posted an image of, we've upgraded the lighting in our entire strip mall. I'm paying for that. I'm putting new lights in, brightening the area, bringing literally light to darkness. And there weren't any lights there. And so I posted that image. People love it. People love that they're seeing buildings improve. They're seeing things get better in the community. Everybody wants to be part of that. It's quite exciting.
Did you anticipate when you go back to kind of rolling the dice here to get into laundry? Did you anticipate that level of impact on the community? Like, did you think this was going to happen?
No. I prayed to God that it would, right? This is my journey and my true north of what I want to do for the community and have an impact. But I never would have guessed in a million years people would be this passionate and this excited about laundromats. I mean, I make the joke often and people laugh. I think they're more excited than I am some days, And maybe that's because I'm grinding away at it. But people come look in the windows. I've been recognized down the streets. They come up and talk to me, flag me down to ask me about the laundromat. They ask me washing questions. I don't have all the answers, but I love engaging with the community. So I never predicted that this thing would get this big and this exciting for everyone. But I think it goes to show there's a world bigger than us, right? When you get behind something bigger than you and you have faith in that and you come together as a community, the impact in a positive manner, if we all row in the same direction, work together, it shows the power of us as a human culture and human people working together in a team. And that's exciting. It's great to see that come to fruition.